Hola mis amigos, mi nombre es Zahir Abbas. Today I have a lesson for teaching you the days of the week. About this I will explain the days of the week in Spanish. Actually for speaking any language that's very important to know the days of the week. Okay, if you don't know, so you will have a problem to speak because many times about the days of the week I have to speak and we have to speak in our communication. So that's why to know about the name of the week, okay, that's very important. First in English language I will write the days of the week. After that I will write in Spanish language the days of the week in front of English. Okay, this kind say you can understand easily. English. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. In front of you I have written the days of the week but in English language. In front of them I will write in Spanish language. This such kind you can understand easily. Okay, Monday, lunes, Tuesday, martes, Wednesday, miércoles, Wednesday, miércoles, and Thursday, jueves, Friday, viernes, Saturday, sábado, Sunday, domingo. In front of you I have written. Now deeply I would like to explain because such kind say you can understand easily. Monday is called in Spanish language lunes. Okay. Tuesday is called in Spanish language martes. Wednesday is called in Spanish language miércoles. Thursday is called in Spanish language jueves. Friday is called in Spanish language viernes. Saturday is called in Spanish language sábado. Sunday is called in Spanish language domingo. Sunday is called in Spanish language domingo. Okay, I explained. I hope that what I am explaining you will be understanding. About this I would like to explain and I would like to say actually the days of the week are masculine in Spanish language. So for the days of the week we have to always use masculine articles. I hope that what I explained you are understanding. Gracias por ver.